Regular cornbread is great, but jalapeno cornbread with cilantro, red onion, and vegan compound butter is even better. Trust me, this is very easy to make, even non-bakers can handle it. You start by combining flaxseed meal with water and setting it aside for a few minutes. This mixture is known as a flax egg and works to replace eggs in vegan baking. Next, you combine all the dry ingredients like flour, cornmeal, baking powder, etc. When the flax is thickened, add the rest of the wet ingredients, which are non-dairy milk, oil, and maple syrup. To this, I'm also adding diced onion, chopped pickled jalapenos, and cilantro, which will add a ton of flavor. Don't forget to seed the jalapenos if you can't handle too much heat like me. Lastly, stir the wet ingredients into the dry and fold just until combined. Transfer to a baking dish and bake for 30 minutes. While the cornbread is baking, make the compound butter. I've partnered with Wesson to try their new plant-based butter, which is super soft and spreadable and easy to combine with other ingredients to make a flavored butter like this one. After measuring out the butter, I'm adding sun-dried tomatoes, cilantro, jalapenos again, and a bit of maple syrup too. Then you just mash everything together with a fork. The written recipe is in my bio link. I hope you love it as much as I do.